Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you are all very good at home. Okay, let's start our lesson English. The trick robot. True or false we will see now. See, read the statement and write true or false. You can find it very easily, children. See, Vicky pleaded his father to buy a robot. Pleaded means requested. So, Vicky pleaded his father. Vicky requested his father to buy a robot. Right? Yes, that is true. Next, Vicky was an active boy always. Was Vicky was an active boy? Isn't it? No. He was lazy boy, no. So that is false. Next, the robot did not obey his master. Yes, that robot did not obey his master. So that also true. Next one, Vicky's father decided to change his son's character. Yes, that's why Vicky's father bought a trick robot, isn't it? Yes, that's also true. Okay, do you understand, children? Vicky pleaded his father to buy a robot. True. Vicky was an active boy always. That also false because he was lazy boy. Next, the robot did not obey his master. Yes, he didn't obey any work, right? No, that also true. Vicky's father decided to change his son's character. This one, yes, that's why he bought tricky robot. So that also true. Let's see question answer. Already we saw first question, right? What kind of a boy was Vicky? Vicky was a lazy boy and never did his homework on time, right? Next, second question, very easy question, children. See, who asked the robot to attend the phone call? Who asked? Vicky only, no. So you just take it who, and for that we write Vicky. V-I-C-K-Y, Vicky. Vicky asked the robot to attend the phone call. Who taken? For that place we want to write Vicky. Who asked the robot to attend the phone call? Vicky asked the robot to attend the phone call. Next one. Whom did Vicky want to do all his work? To whom? Vicky wanted robot to do all his work, right? He expect that only, no. Robot do all his work, no. See, whom? See, first we take and write Vicky. Did plus want, wanted. Okay, did plus want, wanted. We should add ed in this want. Next, robot. Robot. We want to write robot to do all his work. Already here having see. Okay, so whom did Vicky want to do all his work? Vicky wanted robot to do all his work. Okay, let's see the next question. How did Vicky change at the end? Finally, in this end of the lesson, how did Vicky change? See, Vicky decided to do all the work himself. Right? No? Yes, Vicky decided, D-E-C-I-D-E-D, decided to do all the work himself. Vicky decided to do all the work himself. Next one, what did you learn from the story? What we learn from the story? We should be active. We should be active always and not lazy. We should be active and not lazy, right? Do you understand this all? Once again we recall, what kind of a boy was Vicky? Vicky was a lazy boy and never did his homework on time. Next, who asked the robot to attend the phone call? We remove the who and for that we write Vicky asked the robot to attend the phone call. Next, whom did Vicky want to do all his work? Vicky wanted robot to do all his work. Okay, Vicky wanted, Vicky write want for ed add, we wanted, there you write robot, next to do all his work you write. Next one, how did Vicky change at the end? Vicky decided to do all the work himself. Vicky decided to do all the work himself, right? Next one, what did you learn from this lesson? What did you learn? See, we should be active, not lazy. We should be active and not lazy. Do you understand this all? I hope you all understood. Okay, children. Thank you very much.